Hi, this is Jeffrey Kurt Financial Group, and today is Wednesday, February 26, 2025. I guess a couple of things to think about today. Nvidia, their earnings after the close, and everybody's focused on that. And then number two is just the recent sell-off in tech, crypto, AI stuff, and like that. So let's take, I guess, that second one first. In that it's been like the four worst days for the NASDAQ since September or August of last year. Been a while. And actually, the NASDAQ is now down for the year as we start trading today, Wednesday. So it's given up all its gains, really been widespread selling across technology. And I'm not sure, what it is. There was an article in Barron's last night talking about the AI trade unwinding, and certainly it has. The chip stocks get sold, and anything related to AI been sold, like utilities, which has been kind of tied to AI in the sense of power generation and like that. They've been getting sold. So it's been a widespread sell-off, with this AI theme. But there was, in the article from Barron's and some other ones I've seen, it doesn't say, make a connection why. Is it, lack of spending or decreased spending? Is it DeepSeek? Is it, other features? And it really hasn't been. So maybe, again, it's just a momentum thing. And, certainly once a direction starts, algorithms can kick in and it can just perpetuate the move. So, it'll be interesting to see what happens here, given that Nvidia is going to be reporting. It's not necessarily a binary event in terms of the markets have to go up or down, but it's going to, certainly dictate the direction, I think in the next week or so. Also, to finish up over in the overall market, the S&P is traded between 5,900 and 6,100, for like 4 or 5 months. And yesterday, sure enough, in the midst of a nasty sell-off, it once again found support in that low 5,900 level and has bounced up, and we're up here this morning on Wednesday so far. Now, turning to Nvidia, they aren't going to report bad numbers, but certainly there'll be a narrative around it, and I think eyes will be on the rate of growth. And the rate of change of the growth, is it still accelerating? At some point, this company becomes just the law of large numbers, and it becomes too big to continue that rate of change and that accelerated growth. But whether tonight's that night, I don't know. The options market is implying a 8.5% move from last night's close for Nvidia after the earnings. So that gives it about a 115, 120 in the downside, 140 on the upside would be like that immediate move that the options market is pricing in. And I think another thing that's interesting is that there's plenty of hedging going on. A lot of puts have been bought for the downside protection, and a lot of calls sold. So it's that's trying to capture the premium on Nvidia. So all things being equal, tomorrow, when those hedges and these option strategies get unwound, it could, drive Nvidia higher, and consequently the tech area, which is due for a bounce, regardless of what the numbers are. So again, not advice, but I think there's some interesting setups that, are going to come out of this Nvidia trade. So we'll be back on Friday. Thank you for listening. Please like and subscribe and spread the word. Thank you again. Goodbye.